standing really close. That's exact technology has been used in this phone where the background is brought closer. That's what a telephoto lens does. So even if the background, the mountains behind you, there's a structure behind you, it's really far, and you do it at 3.5x, the portrait camera, you can click some amazing portraits with bringing the background closer to you. um, Next is the 4K HDR video. Now, 4K HDR video has always been there, but then shooting it at multiple focal lengths is important. So sometimes, you see that you can shoot at 1x. That's good. What if you want to shoot it at 0.6, then 1, then 3.5, and then you bring closer, and the 4K 60 FPS will remain. And not just that, even the front camera 4K 60 FPS is there also. So people who want to vlog, who want to make who are influencers, or they're just trying to capture something good, you can just capture it at all focal lengths with the same quality. So you don't have to be like, oh, 0.6 you took a normal video, for 1x you took a 4k 4k HDR video, and then 3.5 again a normal. No, for all for all focal lengths, the 4k 60 fps will remain the same. Apart from that, when you test the device, when you go on the video mode, there's a small icon will come. It's the sound enhancer. So what will happen, maybe you are at a concert or you're just shooting something. When you switch that sound enhancer on, it will blur the background noise and it will capture only the one person in between who is the most important part of that video. It works great for all the shows, for all the street performances. That thing is great. If I move on to the flashlight technology, if you see the phone, of course there's a flash, but then there's another module at top of it. What it does, it captures the light of the room or wherever you're clicking the photo, and then accordingly tells the three lenses that it has what kind of flash is required, and then accordingly clicks a good picture. So of course low light photography is also there. You can still click low light pictures, but if you need a flash photography, it's something that's trending a lot, flash photography, so that's also covered here. Now, AI editor. A lot of times you've clicked the pictures, you've taken the videos, but to finally post it on your social media, you edit it. You have third-party applications. You have, you transfer it to your maybe laptop and then edit it and then post it. You don't have to do anything. All the AI features, all the editing features are inbuilt in this phone. Some of the major features, something that we have introduced for the first time, this is the AI perfect shot. So when you've clicked multiple, maybe 3 or 4 pictures, and you realize one of them, your friend's eyes are closed, you don't have to, there's no worry, you don't have to click again. What AI does is, you've clicked 3-4 pictures, the phone already has the face of your friend. It will take the expressions, the eyes from another picture and bring it to the main picture where you want to open the eyes. So this must be 3 or 4 pictures, but then you selected this picture. So what AI does is, it took the face from another picture where your friend's face was there, and it just opened the eyes and just replicated the same, and then you don't have to click the same picture again. AI recompose, sometimes it happens a lot with me, that when you're traveling, you ask someone to please click a picture of you, but they don't know the framing. They'll maybe click slanted pictures and the framing is not good. What AI recompose does is, it will frame the picture for you. I'll show you one example. So I was traveling last week to Indore, and I went to Mahakal, and I was with my family and I asked someone to click a picture for me. Um, they clicked a picture, but if you see, the framing is not good. It's a bit slanted. What it did, it cropped it. It told me that this is the perfect frame, and then it kept the focus on my family and the background, and everything was changed accordingly. If you'll notice, one more thing here is the AI eraser feature that I've used. Now a lot of people were behind me, but what it did, it erased everything. I'll show you another example. So 2 weeks ago, I was in Coimbatore and I went to Adi Yogi. So this is a picture that I took in front of Adi Yogi. But if you see, there's so much crowd behind me, and I wanted a good picture of just me. So I used the AI eraser feature. Everyone is gone. They've just vanished. Now it is a very personalized picture of just me and Adi Yogi. I've just erased everyone else. This is what can happen just inside your phone. You don't have to have any other features. This is inbuilt in your phone. And then reflection remover and unblur are other features that you can use as well. Underwater photography, like I said, the phone is IP68 rated, so you can always do underwater photography with it. Um, Now, camera is good, the design is good, but what about the internals? If that's not powerful, then how will the phone work? When I